Hi, Miss Heather. So let me show you the pump that I'm talking about. This one right here. This is a P88 mechanical bulb valve pump. It's in perfect shape. We've been renting it out to people and it works great. We're replacing right now one of the balls and that's it. She is in perfect shape. Great machine. Doesn't have a tag, as you can see. None of that stuff. But people use them all the time and it's no big deal. Alrighty, let me know if this works. I'm gonna also send you the video for the TK40. As a matter of fact, let me show you real quick. Look, this is a final product. This is a product that we're delivering this week. TK40 also, but this is the way they end up looking once we're done with them. Here we have more pumps. I mean, I got several warehouses full of pumps. 3127. This is 1024. I think it's one of these right here. All right, this is the pump, 3127. I'll send you another video specifically about this machine, but this one is gonna be rebuilt. All this is gonna go, and you'll see it on the other video. Alrighty, have a good one.